Hello everyone and welcome back to math class. I'm super excited to get started. Super excited to talk to you guys again, see your faces, and just get back to work, I guess, or get back to as normal as we can, I suppose. But I just wanted to pop on and share with you guys what your Schoology page is going to look like for the rest of this extended flexible learning, point out a couple things, and then hopefully answer some of your questions that you might have getting started. So when you go to your Schoology course, I know on your end it'll look a little bit different, but the first thing you're going to see is a discussion post. That will always be up here. It won't always be titled this, but this is a space for you to ask me any questions that you might have. It could be about Schoology, it could be about the actual math content, it can be about anything. So if you put your questions in there, I'll always check that every day. I might answer you back through the discussion post. I might reply. I might send you a Schoology message. If you have a question about something about the math, say area of triangles, I might even send you a request to do a live, like a WebEx kind of FaceTime type thing, and we can talk our way through a problem or do a little one-on-one like little tutorial session or something like that. So anyways, questions that you have about anything math related or math class related, or anything, I guess, really, just drop them in there. Also, remember office hours. So hopefully you already checked in with your homeroom teacher and they mentioned this to you, but my office hours are from 12 to 12:30 every day. So I'm available for more immediate feedback. If you have like an urgent question that you want answered, you can contact me during that time too. So the one big difference on your Schoology page is going to be the dashboard. So each week you will have your weekly dashboard. This is where you will find everything that you need to complete for the week, all the links to where to find those things, and an explanation. So this week, we're pretty much just reviewing. Before spring break, we had mostly wrapped up Unit 5B. There's only one lesson left in the ebook that we needed to complete, which is on area of trapezoids. You'll notice that's down here, so we will cover that. But otherwise, everything that we are doing this week, we've already covered. So let me show you how this works. For area of the triangles, we have a list of things that we want you to do. So first is to watch the video to review finding the area of a triangle. The link is right here, so you don't have to go anywhere else. You just need to click this link and it will take you exactly to where you need to go. So notice we have a Khan Academy video ready for you guys. So that'll be your first step, so to watch the video. Then you can head back here. The second thing you need to do is complete the practice in Khan Academy. Again, link is right here for you. You don't need to go anywhere else, and it'll bring you straight to the practice we want you to complete. On the left-hand side, I do want to show you that there are a lot of other things about areas of triangles. So we linked this video, and this is the practice we're on right now. But if you need extra practice, or if you just have, some free time and want to do more math, you can go ahead and you can look at any of these. So all of these would be great review for you for this week. All right, area of parallelograms is after that, same setup, video, practice, and then there is a quiz. So I forgot to mention the quiz for triangles too. But the quiz is just a Schoology puzzle piece, so that is for me to see how you are doing. So if you click there, it will take you straight to the Schoology quiz. So just 3 problems, enter your answers. It does not count towards your grade. It is a career and life skills. It is not a targeted measurement, so do not worry about that. This is purely just for practice. So I do recommend though, if you only get 2 out of 3 or 1 out of 3 or whatever on the first time, take it again. And if you still are missing something, then ask questions. So I would definitely be willing to help you out in whatever way we can figure out together. So head back to the dashboard. So parallelograms, there's also a quiz, and then area of trapezoids, video, practice, and a quiz. You'll notice the due date is on here for each of these things. So all of these 3 lessons or assignments, we want you to have done by Wednesday, April 1st. So if you just did 1 chunk a day, that would get you to where you need to be. So Monday, today, maybe you want to do triangles. Tomorrow, the parallelograms, or the trapezoids Wednesday. Or if you want to do it all in one, it's totally up to you, but just we want you to get into these quizzes by Wednesday. Next up is actually reviewing. So this is going to look just like all of the other review folders we've ever had for a test. So you'll have your review assignment, your test topics, videos, practice quizzes, and the study guides. The one thing I want you to pay attention to is the description for the assignment. So normally we do this in class, and I kind of just let you work through whatever it is that you want to, whatever you think would be most beneficial. For the assignment, since I am not going to be there with you, I do want you to actually do the assignment as written. So do pick 5 review activities at a minimum, and submit whatever it is you need to submit for each of those by the due date. So, for example, if you watch a video, take notes, take a picture of your notes, and send it into this assignment. If you take a practice quiz, take a screenshot of your results and submit the screenshot. There are also several study guides. So if you do one of the study guides and then watch the video and check your answers, you can also submit that. So that assignment is due by Friday. Back to our dashboard. And then we will take our 5B assessment. So obviously that will look different. Be looking out for a video explaining that. I will probably post the summative or final assessment by Wednesday. You can take it whenever you want. This does follow all of the guidelines like retakes and things like that. You still have to do corrections and you'll have to get in touch with me. So I wouldn't jump into it if you're not ready, but if you are, you can go ahead and you can take it as soon as it's published. But again, I will post a video explaining it because it will look a little different than it has in the past, since we won't all be taking a paper and pencil test in the classroom together. That won't be due either until next week, so Monday of next week. So you have all of this week and the entire weekend to get ready for that. So don't worry about that too much. Just be looking out for more information on it from me. Otherwise, that kind of recaps what the Schoology page will look like, what your dashboard is, how to access the assignments and the quizzes and things like that. Again, don't forget if you have questions to ask them. I promise all the videos won't be this long. I just wanted to make sure I went through everything pretty thoroughly with you for the first time. But I hope you have a really great first day trying out all this extended flexible learning. I can't wait to jump more into math and to start doing a little bit more work and seeing you guys. But have a great first week and stay tuned for more information coming up later this week. Bye.